We're out here starting our day's adventures. As you can see, we are up here at Mount Rainier National Park. We got our ride in, definitely with some traffic down there, but it did clear up as we're going up. Definitely a lot of people out here Memorial Day weekend. We are here at Narada Falls. This is our first stop, and we're gonna go see if we can go check out these falls here. I'm not sure if you can do a little walk down or what, but let's go check them out. So one of the cool things about doing here, you've got all these jays here. You've got gray jays, and you've also got starlet jays, I believe, and people just sit and feed them and they come fly around, which is also a cool thing to do here. They're definitely flying around all over the place. We also saw a marmot down in the snow level there, which was pretty cool. But now we're gonna go down and we're gonna go cross this little bridge and go check out these falls. Alright, so we're walking down to the viewpoint now. It is a 0.1 mile hike, but it is extremely vertical, horizontal. There is some elevation change. So we're gonna walk our way down the part of this trail here. It's a little bit sketchy because it's only wide enough right now because of the snow for one person. So we're gonna make it down there though. Let's see what the full payoff of this waterfall has in store. So we made it down this little piece here. We had to detour off the regular trail because it was still covered in snow. So we are backtracking over all this other snow in sneakers. Hopefully we don't fall on the way down here to get this shot. Whoa shoot. Whoa shoot. Well, I think they have the... Oh! Yeah.
We're almost there, but...
It sucks, we're like so close. Alright, so we made it down there. I fell down once. How many times did you fall down?
Probably twice or 3 times.
We fell down, but we got...
I got the New Balance on, man. I didn't even got...
We're down here in tennis shoes and shorts, full send material, and a tank top.
And a tank top.
Out here checking these falls out. This is pretty awesome. So we got all the pictures. We're down here at the falls. Half the battle is getting down here. The other half will be getting back up to the top of this hill.
Back up all the way up there.
All the way up there. We're gonna go. Hopefully it'll be a little bit easier. I think we'll be able to kick and get some traction coming up. So we won't have to worry about falling backwards like I did once and Dayton did 3 times. So we're gonna try to trek back up this hill and see, hopefully we don't fall into anything. We made it back to the top, barely. But it was definitely worth it. If you're coming here and there is snow on this trail, you will definitely want to make sure that you have boots or micro spikes or something to make it a lot. Micro spikes, those are those little things.
They even did it in New Balance.
No, we did it. I'm just saying, if you have them and you're bringing them, or you have the ability to bring them, that would probably be advisable.
Definitely some hiking.
Yeah. But we're gonna keep heading up to the top. So let's see what else we're gonna get into. We just went up the road just a little bit farther. We are now up at Paradise. This is, I think this is as high as you can go at Mount Rainier. It's a very popular place to start hiking and climbing. We are up here at 5,400 feet. And we got the mountain right behind us here. So we're gonna go walk around a little bit, go see what's what.
Where are you going, Don't try to on the
Oh
yeah. Oh, right in the mud. Woo! That's good times right there. This is what Dad didn't want you to.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
Oh man. Oh. That's going in your truck.
Okay, you too. Bill. Stop.
Oh my.
Don't get any ideas.
You just went for it.
Because I can just drag you down with me.
Whoa.
I told Morgan she should ask him and be like, go jump in it and go down the hill.
Full head first?
Yeah. Told her just take their trolley. No, we slipped a couple times, but
I fell on my butt.
She did.
You look like you were hauling pretty fast down.
That last section.
Well, according to my calculations, I was only going about 2 miles per hour.
That's pretty fast down that hill.
Wait, look at Nola. She's dirty.
Oh yeah, no, we got all that on video.
Crown.
Whose dog is that?
Actually, I don't know. I think we picked her up off the street.
Crown is completely...
Yeah, Crown has more spots than that too.
Yeah.
And probably a new pair of shoes.
Are you playing in the mud?
Yeah. Show Uncle the splashing in the mud puddle. Splash.
Oh my. We got a little taste of some stuff up at Mount Rainier. We're gonna make some more content here over the next little while up at Mount Rainier, go do some more exploring up there. So make sure to stay tuned for that. But until then, we thank you guys for the support. Please make sure, if you're not yet, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to us. And until next time, we'll see you in the next adventure.